So today is 6/5. It says 6/5, 2025. I want to talk about this. It says right here. It says at first the origins of the eerie green laser light shown captured 2 weeks ago by Japanese operated telescopes atop the Big Island 1303-foot Manukia seem to be rather innocuous. And it says the green laser show was captured in the early morning of January 8th by the Super Ashing Star Camera and Super Telescope atop Manukia, or whatever, credit National Astronomical Observatory of Japan. So this is in Japan, but this is what's interesting. It says viewers spotted reported lights, emitted remote sensor lasers aboard NASA satellite used them to map to measure the Earth's surface, keeping track of sea ice, snow cover, the forest cover, among other terrain. It's even able to detect water features such as coral reef and ocean wave. Pretty cool, right? But this is viewers who spotted the lights. So they're thinking that's what this does. Now it says, now the source of this beams that formed a green curtain, which some described as resembling the green matrix code from the movie The Matrix, likely is from a satellite owned by U.S. adversary China and not by NASA. Now what's interesting about this is if you look, see how these particle beams go straight up? Each and every one of these beams goes straight up. It's a grid, but it goes directly straight up. Okay. Now, what's interesting is that in my video, I have this video. It's Bastion Concord Diplomatic Immunity Cover Video 11. But at 3 minutes, 32 seconds, I actually called the Japanese Super Station itself and patched through to Japan in exactly 3 minutes, 32 seconds. You'll hear one of the Japanese operators that I'm talking to, and she's saying that they don't have the green emissions; they only have a yellow emission. But she says strictly that the Japanese superstation only has an emitter of yellow sodium, and she says it at 3 minutes 32 seconds. Now, what I find interesting is in this video, this is a satellite that is attacking me, and you'll see right here, and it's right now I'm at 6 minutes 50 seconds. So at 6 minutes 54 seconds, you'll hear a car horn honk. This is diplomatic immunity video. This is just for your info. This is diplomatic immunity cover video 2. So, but you have to big screen it, and then when you big screen it, you press play. 6 minutes 50 seconds. Now at 54 seconds, you will see a light come off right here. See that light and how it goes straight up? Let's do that again. 52, 53, 54. See, and it goes straight up. Now that is an emission from, obviously, if you look from a grid, and I think it's the same grid that was recorded as our adversary. See, look, 1, 5, 3, 4. So you go straight up. That came off of myself. And then afterwards, what's even more interesting is there's another anomaly at 9 minutes. And then what I'm trying to get to is this. If you go to diplomatic, so the same video, diplomatic immunity cover video 2, after 6 minutes 54 seconds, there's another anomaly at 9 minutes. Then there's this anomaly. This is anomaly at 10 minutes 32 seconds. You'll hear anomaly. You'll hear like a demon screaming with a demon. It's synthetic, but look, it's 10 minutes 45 seconds. Now this is where it gets interesting. In this corner right here, you're gonna be looking. This is a hubcap to a car. I'm in a parking lot where there's nobody at the embassy in Fayetteville. Embassy in Fayetteville. But look, you'll see what looks like yellow emissions right here. Watch. And this is again 10 minutes 45 seconds. You'll see yellow emissions right here by the hubcap. Look, and it's coming from a satellite. See? Those are yellow emissions. They're looking for me. they're looking for the signal of my phone. So at 10 minutes 32 seconds, you will hear distinctively what is a demon, synthetic demon, but then you see it's clearly from satellite. Now, I don't think that this is the yellow emissions, and I don't think that Japan is fighting us because yellow sodium emissions are from Japan. But I don't think that this is Japan. I think that SANTANAS ReE has a system within the World Bank, and SANTANAS ReE is a shield that sits over the Temple of Lucifer and the Seat of the Light, which is a technical Illuminati sovereign temple. But SANTANAS ReE is within that and it's over shielding it. And it seems to have all the emissions from Lafayette Curenon arms mixed with the Order of the Double Dragon sitting on an SOE, from what I'm understanding, with the British. And I think it's been infiltrated by Germany. It used to fight Germany. But within the 10 banking companies, which is like Japan, France, all the major companies, they work only predominantly within the World Bank of Colombia. And where is Colombia located? And what's in Colombia, Bogota, Colombia? Um, I'm not sure if it's exactly Bogota, Colombia, but it says SANTANAS ReE. The Temple of Lucifer is in Colombia, so they're running utilities, and I'm just this is real. But again, clearly this is something that I recorded over me, and it's a synthetic matrix. Um, it's just very interesting. If you have any information on this, if you want any information on this video, and you know who I am as far as like contacting through like if you're the FBI, CIA, because I alerted them to this channel just for anything I recorded that's interesting. Feel free to like write me a comment and I'll get back with you. Just thank you for your time. And like I say, I don't think the yellow emissions, and I don't even think China had the weather balloon that was shot down. So we were going to war with China, and I don't think that they were at fault. I think that they were just as curious as we are, and I think that it's SANTANAS ReE, because it's a shield that sits over the Order of the Imperial Throne within the Double Dragon. See, like the Temple of Lucifer would be on utilities for the Secretariat, would have the Order of the Imperial Throne, but that doesn't mean that the temple would be guilty because SANTANAS ReE a shield over the temple using military utilities. That would be where this would come in. And I don't think that this is China. So feel free to contact me, leave a comment. Thank you.